you believe me if I told you that this Jeep Grand Cherokee has 707 horsepower? Yeah, you heard that right. Also, Brembo brakes and Pirelli P0 tires. Well, you don't have to believe me. Go on Google, you can check for yourself. But you will have to take my word when I say this is the most insane SUV I've ever driven. With 707 horsepower from a 6.2 liter supercharged V8 shared from the Challenger Hellcat, this thing is a monster, to put it lightly. And seating for 5, and I'll say comfortably, is an understatement. Yeah, you could get used to this. Oh, and it sounds really good. Just listen. This thing's loads of fun, and as much as I wish that everyone had the opportunity to drive it, in this case I do. So why don't we go ahead and go for a drive and show you what it looks like to drive this. That is nutty. Goodness gracious. Oh, wow. Wowee. That's enough of that. So it's big, it's loud, and it's probably not as practical as it seems on paper, but it's a lot of fun. So if you ever have the chance, you should probably drive a Jeep Grand Cherokee TrackHawk. Wow.